Okay. So in the last video, we learned about how to use shapes to draw anything that we want, be it an apple or be it a character or be it any other object or be it an animal or anything like that. Now today, we're gonna learn how to draw different characters using different shapes, okay? So not every character is the same, okay? If every character would be the same, then they would just turn into anime girls, because anime characters are like the same. Like their body type is the same. They have literally no difference apart from their hairstyle and their eye color and shit like that, alright? So every character has a different shape. Every character is made up different, and the same thing applies in real life. Like everyone has a different shape. Like no two people are the same, okay? They have a different body type, they have a different body structure, they have a different facial shape, they have a different hairstyle or hair shape. So every character is different. That is exactly what makes them unique. That is exactly what makes them who they are. That is exactly what reflects their personality, okay? Now characters can be of all shapes. Like there is no fixed shape that this character should be in this shape or that character should be in that shape, alright? There are a lot of shapes which can represent characters, like endless amount of shapes. Like there is no fixed shape in which a character can be represented. So now today we are gonna draw some characters using basic shapes, alright? Let's do it. Now look at this guy. So he's kind of like a dwarf old knight kind of like guy. So look at this. What is that shape? Square? Yep. And then we can also make his face square to reflect that square, overall square shape of the body type, alright? Now once you have set that shape, you can start adding other shapes. Like for example, this hand over here, it's square shape, okay? This finger is square shape. Then you can start adding more features on the face. His hair is kind of like a different shape, and his beard is in a star shape. So there may lie different shapes in a single character, okay? So there doesn't have to be just one shape. The character doesn't have to be just of one shape. And that's it. That is your character. Once you start adding more details, once you start adding more shapes, your character will be naturally created. Okay, not naturally, but you have to draw it. Alright? Now look at this one. What does it look like? A triangle, an inverted triangle, okay? So first and foremost, as before, I have established the overall shape of that character and also his facial shape, which is kind of like an inverted triangle again, or you can consider it as a diamond shape. And then after that, I started adding more shapes, more details, alright? And thus we have this character. The process of drawing any character is the same as before, okay? It's the same as this old guy. Okay, now moving on to the third character. He's very friendly and caring, okay? So this shape is almost round, or you can call it an oval also. So accordingly, I have designed that character using more shapes, using more defined shapes, okay? Even I have made all his shapes reflect that roundness, okay? So his hands are round, his shoes are round, okay? His head is also very round, alright? So most of the shapes that you see over here are round. That is what reflects that character. But there are also different other shapes. Like for example, this is like a triangle. His jacket is like a triangle, okay? This is a rectangle, okay, or a square. This is again a rectangle and a triangle, okay? The cigar that he's smoking, his eyebrows are triangles, and his hat is also a triangle. So there may be different shapes in a character, and that is fine, that is good actually, because if everything is in the same shape, then it won't look that aesthetically pleasing. There has to be different shapes in a character. There has to be some sort of contrast, and if you put them side by side together, they almost look as if they are some sort of character trio or a character team or something like that. Okay, so yes, design different characters using different shapes. Okay, and always remember that no character has the same shape. That is what makes them unique. Their difference in shapes, their difference in sizes is what makes them unique. Just take a reference and just design different characters using different shapes. Mix and match different references, mix and match different characteristics of other existing characters. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please share it with your friends, and if you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe and join the Discord. We get crazy over there, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.